Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is going to be for those that want to do the DJI unlock if you have the AVATA. So you have the DJI AVATA and you want to fly it in restricted airspace. This video will be the solution for that, and by the end you will be able to apply your FAA unlock into your DJI AVATA so you can fly in restricted airspace. All right, without any further ado, let's get started. So you want to do is make sure your goggles are connected to your phone and the DJI Fly app is launched. As you can see, this is by default what you see when you turn it on, and you see my drone is on, my AVATA, DJI AVATA. Don't worry about the battery error. That's mine by default because I didn't put my battery in all the way. Sometimes that happens. You might get this error or after a crash. So basically you just want to test everything, make sure it works, but what you actually want to be in is the default window, which is the main settings window that you see by default in the Before You Fly app. And the only way to navigate to that window is from your phone. When you have the Fly app open, see the arrow on the left, right? You're going to scroll back, right? And then what you're going to do is click on Profile. After you click on your profile, you're going to scroll into settings. See settings right there at the bottom? Press it. And then on the left-hand side, you're going to scroll. See, again, it says Unlock Geozone. So you press that. And so if you applied for the unlock, you'll see them inside your drone. Okay, so we're just going to go back again. You see this screen, right? So if you see that screen, again, go back into settings, your profile, right? And then as you can see, you're going to scroll again on the left-hand side, see where it says Unlock a Geozone, and you see there they are. These are my unlocks, and this is for this particular drone, and this is the approval. And what you want to do is, right, so just what you want to, not here, right, so what you're going to do is you're going to click back on the arrow, right, so go back. See where on the right-hand side it says Aircraft Unlocking Licenses? That's the one that you want to press, okay? But this gives you the list. So on the top right-hand corner, see that where it says Aircraft Unlocking. So I click it, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to toggle that switch, press on, and when you press on, and you're going to get some notifications, and you see now it's on, and it's been pushed to the drone, but it won't be pushed unless the drone is on, okay? So if that makes any sense. And I always wondered how you do an unlock with the AVATA, and this is basically the solution for you when it comes to that. So as you can see, and when you see that little button on the top right all the way at the end, that when you press that, that actually syncs it. So it's like the automatic sync button, so you can actually push it to your drone, if that makes any sense for you. And when you fly, you just have to make sure that the unlock actually stays. I actually have another video showing you, but as you can see, in case you need to see it again, because it takes a little getting used to if you've never navigated to that menu before. As you can see, you click on your profile, right? Scroll, settings, okay, and then from there scroll again on the left-hand side. See, Unlock a Geo, and then you select the aircraft unlocking, or you have your list there of all the unlocks. As you can see, they're there. You can view them, but you can't use them until you actually push them to the drone. As you can see, you flip the switch, and there you go. And you don't usually get the notifications after having done it the first time. The prompts that say, "Are you really sure? Are you sure?" And that pretty much sums this video up. I hope this video helped you and you have a better DJI unlocking experience. Remember to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. And I'll see you all next time.